Good afternoon, students. So today we will discuss our second chapter of artificial intelligence, that is artificial intelligence project cycle. Now in the previous chapter we have learnt that artificial intelligence is a form of intelligence along with a type of technology and one of the latest field of study. With the development in the field of artificial intelligence, both machine and software, computers are able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence covers a broad range of domains and applications and is expected to impact every field in the future. So, in this chapter, we will study how an artificial intelligence project is developed and the various stages that are involved in any such project. So, let's start the video. So, first of all, in any standard information technology project, there are basic steps which will be followed in order to accomplish it. These are: the first one will be initiating, the second one will be planning, third will be executing, fourth will be controlling, and the last one, that will be fifth, will be closing. Here in the artificial intelligence also there are 5 main steps or basic steps which artificial intelligence person will follow in order to accomplish the project. This is: first one is problem scoping, second one will be data acquisition, third one will be data exploration, fourth one will be modeling, and the last one will be evaluation. Now what all these things are, let's discuss it briefly right now. We will have the discussion of each and every steps in detail in the next series of videos, but right now let's have a brief discussion of these things. So these 5 steps are there in order to accomplish a artificial intelligence project cycle. Now in order to understand it, let us take an example. With the help of an example we will able to understand it very clearly. Imagine that the world's most precious artifact is in danger and a renowned criminal has threatened to steal it. No one has been able to track that criminal. The situation is therefore very critical. You have been appointed as the chief security officer and your job is to enhance the security of that artifact, making the area impossible for that criminal to break into and steal the artifact. You have the aware of artificial intelligence concept. You have to plan so that you will accomplish the task and the criminal will not able to steal that artifact. So for that, the first basic step is to you have to scope the problem. So while finalizing the aim of the system, you scope the problem which you wish to solve and with the help of your project, and this is called problem scoping. Let's see what all steps you will do in order to scope the problem with that same example. So as you interact with the authorities, you get to know that few authorized people are allowed to enter the area where the artifact is kept. For example, maintaining staff, certain officials, VIPs. Now your challenge is to make sure that no unauthorized person enter the premises, and so for that you will choose one of the following from the topics. For example, first one will be get the photographs of all the authorized person, or get the photographs of all unauthorized person, or else get the photograph of the premises in which the artifact has been kept, or the last one will be get photograph of all the visitors. So as you start collecting the photographs, you acquire data in the visual form, and this data now becomes the base of your security system, and the data which needs to be accurate and reliable to ensure the efficiency of your system, and this process is called our second step, that is data acquisition. Now after acquiring the required data, you realize that it is not uniform. A few images are small, whereas others are large. A few images are missing, while there are multiple copies of others. So you need to put all the information collecting in a simplified format, which for this you will choose what? You will create a table with the name of the people whose photographs you have, or you create a table of all the photographs and try to interpret the pattern out of it, or you will make a database to restore the image, or the last one, you will remember all faces you see the images. Now at this stage you try to interpret some useful information out of the data you have acquired, and for this you explore the data, try to put it uniformly for better understanding, and this is called data exploration. Now after exploring the data, you know you need to develop a system which detects the face of the person entering the vault or the room, and which matches with the existing image data you have in your system. Now for this you put all your data in a artificial enabled model and train it in such a way that it alerts the official if unknown person tries to enter the room. And to implement this, you need to list the component of your system. Now to implement your idea, you now look at different artificial intelligence enabled algorithms which work on computer vision. You go through several models and select the one which matches your requirements. After choosing that model, you implement it, and this step is called modeling. And the last step is, when your surveillance system is now complete, you test it by sending a mix of unknown and known faces to the room where the artifact is kept. You notice that the results are 70% correct. After evaluating this model, you shortlisted other artificial intelligence algorithm in which you are work on them. As you move towards deploying your model in the real world, you test it as many ways as possible, and this stage of testing your model is called evaluation, and hence your final stage come when you can give your model to that company and you have accomplished your project. So for an artificial intelligence, you have to require these things to proceed. The first one, I think so it is visible in your screen. The first one is, you need to acquire data which will become the base of your project, and it will help you in understanding with the parameters that are related to the problems for scoping. You go through the data acquisition by collecting data from various reliable and authentic sources. Then third one will be, after exploring the patterns, you can decide upon the type of model you would build to achieve the goal. The fourth one will be, you can test the selected models and figure out which is most efficient one. The sixth one will be, the most efficient model is now the base of your artificial intelligence project, and you can develop your algorithm around it. Once the modeling is completed, you need to test your model on some newly fetched data. This result will help you in evaluating your model and hence improving it. And the last one will be, finally after the evaluation, the project is now complete and you get in your artificial intelligence project. I hope so that you have understood artificial intelligence project cycle, the basic steps how to accomplish a model, a project. In the next video, students, we will discuss more about these five topics, that is problem scoping, data acquisition, data exploration, modeling and evaluation. In the next series of the videos, we will explain in depth of this type of these basic steps. So thank you students, have a nice day ahead.